Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a product that every food photographer and small product reviewer need in their arsenal. Premium flatlays tabletop photography backdrops. If you are looking to take your food or product photography to the next level, stick around because I will be reviewing these double-sided waterproof and professional backdrops in details. This is a pack of 4 backdrops with 8 unique designs. The material feels premium and it's surprisingly lightweight. The double-sided design means you are getting more variety without taking up extra space. The material is double-sided waterproof paper, making it both durable and easy to clean. Dimension 56 x 90 cm, perfect for flat lays and tabletop photography. It's waterproof, so spills during food shoots are no problem. Just wipe and you're good to go. I purchased the backdrops on Amazon, just $1,099, and it's totally worth it. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.